Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Kia Soul, and on this Kia Soul we're going to go over how you would replace the wiper blades. These are the front wiper blades. So these are a J-hook design wiper blade. You're going to have a few different designs, J-hook, flat, whatnot. Most of them are J-hook depending. So the way you would replace this wiper and the whole blade itself is you're just going to pull, you can pull this wiper blade completely up like this. Then you're going to pull this up a little bit, and there's a little tab back here that you can press, and then that way you can get the J hook portion to come out, which is, this is the J hook right here, and then you have this is what clips it on, and there's a little dot on here that locks into that to keep it on. So for replacement, and you need to replace it, you would get a new one of these, any brand or style that you like. Just make sure that they're the right length that your vehicle requires, and it's the same steps for doing the driver's side and the passenger side. Just a lot of times the passenger side one's a little bit smaller of a wiper blade itself, so you want to make sure you're putting the right one. So then you would just take the new wiper blade. You just want to make sure you get that, the J-hook inside there, and then you'll just pull it toward the front of the car until it makes that little snap noise, and then it's locked into place. And then you'll be able to put that wiper arm back down. And you would just repeat for the second wiper on the front. And like I said, it generally is a little bit smaller than the driver's side one, so you want to make sure you get the right ones for the right side. And so that's how you would replace your wiper blades on your 2018 Kia Soul. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.